Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you through how to add email to your Roblox account for verification. How to add email to your Roblox account for verification. When you launch your Roblox account or app like this, you see down the bottom there, you see there's more. So you click on the more. You click more. Under more, you scroll down. So you find settings. So let's search for settings. So this is settings. You click on settings. Under settings, you see account info. You click on the account info. Good. Under the account info, you see email. You see I have already verified my email. So if I want to change and verify again, I'll click on the pencil here. I'll click and I'll click it to tell me to enter my email. So I'll enter my email here. So I'll enter my email. So I'll type the email here. I'll type my email here. I'll type my email at gmail.com. So I'll click change email. So it is processing. Here it will send me two-step verification. So I have to visit my email. So I'll visit my email. Yes. So this is the email. So this is the Roblox. So they will send a verification code to the old account for me to confirm whether it's me. Or then so the code has expired. So I'll click again. Okay, let me paste and see. Good. So here it will tell me to click OK. So here you see that it has not been, the verification is pending. So I'll click here, verify. I'll click OK. So here I'll go to my email, my new email. So this is it. I'll click here to verify. So verify email. It is verifying. Yeah. Thank you. The email has been verified. This is how to change. So I'll then go. Good. Let me refresh it. Yeah. Good. You see verify, which means so this is how to add email to your Roblox account and verify it. Thank you.